Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Ram Queen. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious and tasty waffle. For my recipe I'll be using 2 eggs, half a cup of melted butter, 200 ml of milk, 50 grams of sugar, half a tablespoon of vanilla, half a tablespoon of baking soda. After whisking everything together, I'm just going to be adding 1.5 cup of self-raising flour and make sure I combine everything together. So this is how your mixture should look like, exactly like this. I'm going to spray the waffle machine and pour the mixture in, then cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. So while this one is ready, I'm going to be repeating the same process. I'm going to be making caramel sauce with 1 tablespoon of butter. I'll allow the butter to melt up and then add 1 cup of brown sugar. I'll be adding half a cup of heavy cream to thicken it up. At this point, I'm going to continue to stir it until it becomes thick. Wow, the sauce is ready to... In this bowl, I have 1 cup of double cream, which I'm going to be using to garnish the waffle as well. So guys, this is going to be delicious. Try this recipe. You will never regret it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and also hit that notification bell so that you will be the first person to know whenever I upload any video. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.